Welcome to another episode. It's me, Gabe. Today I'm in Saphan Sang Hi, okay? This is the bridge. In English they say Krung Thong Bridge. In Thai they say Saphan Sang Hi, okay? So welcome to another episode. Thank you for over 190 subscribers. And I hope you're enjoying my videos today. I'm boots on the ground over here and I live among the locals. When you help somebody, you help yourself. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this video of Saphan Sang Hi today. And I'm gonna focus on the bridge now. It's very hot today. So I hope you enjoy my video. And I used to work near this bridge at Dusit and University. Okay, here's the bridge. Okay, that's the pier. I'm not sure when this bridge was built, but it's a very beautiful bridge, as you can see. Let's get in the middle of it and we'll try to focus on some on a temple over there and yeah. So yeah, Ratchawithi University. I used to work there, and I used to work at Dusit Ratchawithi University. And those two universities are right across this bridge on the right-hand side. If you continue going straight, it's Victory Monument. Okay. So hopefully, this is my last bridge video I'm going to be doing. I have a lot more topics to be talking about and a lot more places to be going. So. Yeah guys, thanks for following me on social media. I really appreciate that. And let me get in the middle of this bridge now and then I'm going to focus, okay, on the buildings here and the temple, okay? So on that side you can see Rama 8 Bridge, okay? On that side. Okay, so let me focus on Rama 8 Bridge. So that's Rama 8 Bridge over there. I did a video about that already. Now let's focus over, there's a temple over there I want to show you. I don't know the name of the temple, but let me zoom in on it, okay? Okay, there's a temple there. This way is going to Nonthaburi, so if you want to go to Nonthaburi, you just jump on the boat. It's a 20 baht boat ride going straight to Nonthaburi. And over there, as you can see, is the Royal River Hotel. Okay, and over here you see a river bar over here. There's a river bar right there. Okay guys. Okay, let's do a little bit more walking now so we can complete this video. So, yeah, the bus number that comes over here is number 28, okay guys? Only number 28. And it's an air conditioning bus. I believe this is the middle of the bridge. Yeah, that's the middle of the bridge. สวัสดีครับโอเค As you can see the water down there, let me show you the water. Okay. Now I think over there's a little Chinese temple over there with Francis Xavier School, okay? Right over there. I'm gonna zoom in over there once I get over there. So I will be uploading this video tonight when I get home. And I hope you're enjoying my videos. I'm going to pretty much everywhere. Every place that's a tourist spot, that's a local spot. And I'm doing pretty much everything. So I'll try to upload videos daily. But yeah, guys, Saphan Sang Hi, okay? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but in English it's called Krung Thong, okay? So, also this way, you can also find a children's hospital, pediatrics hospital, and other schools too that I used to work at. And it's a nice bridge. Okay, I think this guy's fishing. Let's see if he's catching any fish today. But there's a Chinese temple over there. I want to zoom in, okay? So let's see what this guy's fishing, and then let's see the Chinese temple, okay? Okay, let's see if he's catching anything.สวัสดีครับสบายดีไหมมาจากที่ไหนครับครับปอบมาจากที่ไหนครับครับปอบ Whoa, he caught something. Wow, look at that. ใหญ่ๆปลาใหญ่ๆใช่ไหม Wow, look at that, guys. He caught something. Look how big that fish is. Professional fisher from the south. Wow. Wow. Let's check it out. ใหญ่มาก ตอนนี้ปลาเท่าไหร่ครับ เท่าไหร่ครับประมาณ100 200 Wow, look at that baby. It's still alive. Wow. That's amazing. ครับผมโอเคมาจากที่ไหนครับใต้ใช่ไหมครับมาจากที่ไหนจังหวัดที่ไหนลพบุรีโอเคครับโอเคครับขอบคุณมากครับโอเคกินข้าวใช่ไหมกินข้าวโอเคWow, he's taking the fish to eat, guys. Okay. Wow, professional fisher from Lopburi. I want to go to Lopburi and film the monkey temple there. They got a monkey temple there. All right, let me zoom in on this Chinese temple here. I don't know the name of it. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so that's the name of it. I don't know the name of it, so you have to translate in Thai for me, okay? Beautiful Chinese temple there. And I'm going to be finishing the video now. Okay, so that's my video tour of Saphan Sang Hi. Okay, guys. So thanks for this video tour of Saphan Sang Hi, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Okay, guys, and when you help somebody, you help yourself, okay? Okay, so I'm walking down here now, as you can see. And thanks for following me on social media. Thanks for over 190 subscribers. And this right here is, what is this? Wat. I'm gonna focus on this before I go. Wat. Ratchawithi Road. I don't know what that is. It's probably a temple, or a school, yeah. Temple and a school, yeah. As you can see there, but I gotta make a U-turn. I gotta go back. Okay, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Okay. Love you guys. Okay. Bye bye. Oh, there's a Chinese temple. Let's focus on that before I go. Okay, so that's the name of it. Okay. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.